Hello friends, it's Unicorn Princess here. I thought about doing a series of specific Lolita how-tos. You know, not just how to dress in Lolita or how to blah 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 whatever. I thought that I could do specific things like how to decorate your feet. You know, socks and shoes and stuff. And I've already done like Lolita hairstyles and I'd like to make another one. And for this one I thought maybe we could focus on the eyes. We can do a whole just how to do Lolita eyeballs. It's not essential to have this, but I think it adds something really nice. When you wear Lolita and you want to really get that sort of big-eyed, you know, cute face look, a lot of people will wear circle lenses. If you don't know, circle lenses are like contact lenses, but they make your eyes look bigger and they'll often put like a sparkle or a color or whatever in it. If you're someone like me who doesn't wear contact lenses at all, learning to wear circle lenses is a little bit of a learning curve. I guess this video is sponsored. You guys may remember recently I did a collaboration with ModaKawa. And they sent me a bunch of stuff and it was great fun and it was all J-fashion stuff that I could wear and I had a great time. And they also sent me some lenses. The company that provides ModaKawa with contact lenses is My Eye BB, and they contacted me separately and they were like, hey, can we send you a bunch of contact lenses and you can do like, I don't know, a review of our contact lenses. So here we are. All the contact lenses. But I thought I would use this space not just to show you contact lenses, but to talk a little bit about eye care and wearing circle lenses and, you know, how to get the big, cute eyeball look. Alright, so let's have a look and see what they sent me, shall we? Oh, yeah, we're sitting on my floor in front of my cupboard because this room is still being done up. The couch is gone and there's nowhere to sit, so you're gonna have to deal with me sitting on the floor for the time being. Oh my god. My Eye BB. So you guys know that I like this kind of space, you know, I don't know, magical girl space type thing. And they have these in a whole bunch of different colors on their site and I was like, please can I have one of these to keep my contact lenses in? And they were like, yes, okay. So look how beautiful this is. So you can see there's like a magical girl kind of gold, like a card captors type, you know, but also all of the glitter. So much glitter. I love it so much. So I have this beautiful case that I can store all of my lens thingies inside, and if you look inside we have a mirror, we have yet more contact lens cases to keep them in, but we also have some tools. Let me show you some of the tools. This little doofer, it's got a little cuppy bit on the end. I think you position your contacts with this tool, so once they're in your eyes you kind of shift them around with this to get them into the right position. And then we have these little pinsy things. You can see they're like little barbecue nippers. And they are for taking your lenses out of the cases, again, so that you don't get your fingers all over them or, you know, break them by accident. You can just like pick them out and then put them back in. This case comes in many different colors and the glitter inside is different colors as well. There's blue and green. I will put links so that you can get them. I love it so much. We have 4 different contact lenses. So before we start, just a few basic important things about circle lenses and your eyes and everything like that. Let's run through them first. When you buy contact lens cases, they will normally be marked left and right. This one you can see just has an L. It's really important to remember which eye the lens came out of so it can always go back in the same case. It's easy to get eye infections and to exchange bacteria and stuff like that. You don't want to do any of that. So always make sure that your left eye goes back into the left pod and the right eye goes back into the right pod. Don't mix them up and don't exchange eyes. Change the saline solution or the saline solution. Don't use water. You need to use the solution, you need to buy some solution, and you need to change it every day. Every day. It sounds excessive, but like, you don't want to go blind. Most contact lenses you can wear for like 8 hours, you can, but you probably shouldn't. It dries your eyes out. You can get eye drops and things, but you should probably not wear them for up to 8 hours. Give your eyes a break. Do not sleep with them in your eyes. If you fall asleep with contact lenses in your eyes, this has happened to Paula. Paula wore contact lenses, fell asleep with them in her eyes, woke up in the morning and was like, hey, why does my eye kind of feel like there's glass in it? And the contact lens had like broken in half. Half of it was round to the back of her eye and the other half was like in the tear duct and had dried out to like a solid shard. So don't fall asleep with them in your eyes. Most contact lenses will last about a year and then you have to replace them. Check, because some it's less, but I think the most is about a year. So watch me put our first pair of lenses in. Left eye. Okay, before we go anywhere else, there is a right way and a wrong way out for your lenses. If you know that it's cupped the right way, it will look like a little bowl. So can you see the edges of this are very slightly turned out the way. So I think this might be inside out. So let's turn it the other way and see if it looks better. Right, there we go. This is a bowl. The edges are curved. We are ready to go. So you can do this with your fingers. I normally do, but I am going to try it with this little tool and see if it makes it any easier. So I'm gonna use my pointy finger to get my eyelashes out of the way, like this. Let me move closer. My pointy finger to push my eyelashes out of the way, like that. And then my middle finger to pull my eyelid down. Now, I can't look at the lens when I put it in because it makes me blink. So I like to look off to the side. You put the lens on the white of your eye and then just like, you know, look all around until it's roughly sitting on the color of your eye, and then you can kind of close your eyes to let it settle in place. I will show you. Look. Alright, eyelashes. Alright, right in the middle. Close. Sometimes you can put your finger on your eyelid. For some reason that helps it be less irritating. I don't know why. Alright. I forgot to get tissue! Idiot! Well, it might feel a little bit foreign at first, especially if you're not used to wearing lenses. It always feels foreign to me because I don't wear lenses. Yeah, there we go! Now, your eyes will tear because it's their natural reaction to putting something in your eyeball. That's okay. It means your eyes work. Look at this! Can you see the difference? Obviously the difference in color, but the difference in the size of my eyeballs. Look! Right, give me a second. I'm gonna go and get some tissue because this eye always tears. Look around, look around. Close it. Are we in? Hey! We are in! Look at this! You know what? That was actually a lot easier than I thought it was gonna be. Oh wait, there we go. Just gotta blink it out. Okay, it is quite likely that your eyes will tear and your nose will run because your nose runs when your eyes tear. That's okay. Now, what do we think of that? Green eyes. This tends to be the kind of lenses that I go for, but look how big my eyes are though. They look cute. These are very comfortable actually. I've worn several contact lenses that once they're in, they make my eyes feel really strained and it gives me a headache, but the lenses that I had before with my ModaKawa collaboration with the same company were very light. I don't know, they just didn't feel very straining. These feel good. It's weird, you can kind of feel lenses when your eyes move. But they don't interfere with your vision or anything. That's another thing. I don't have a, I don't know what you call them, a prescription lens, because I don't need them. So these are just 0. If you want lenses with no prescription, just 0, 0 in both eyes. Okay, now the easy part for me is to take the contact lenses out. So I'm gonna start with this eye, and literally, be careful if you have nails. Don't use your nails, use the pads of your fingers. I'm gonna just tip my head back a little bit. I'm gonna use my middle finger to pull the bottom lid down, and then these 2 fingers to literally pinch the lens out, okay? Let me get close. Okay, ready? There you go. See? Easy. Now you get it back in the case, give it a little shuggle so that it, yeah, there we go, it comes out. It comes out nice and flat, and that's what you want. You want to make sure it's submerged in all of the solution, and you want to make sure that it's not stuck together and it's nice and bowl shaped. Left eye goes in the left pod, right eye goes in the right pod. And we are completed for green contacts. Okay, now that I've gone over how to put them in, how to take them out, how to look after them, safety, all of that jazz, I am going to just show you the rest of the lenses and let you see how they look in my eye. Oh, I got these, they're like very, very purple. I wanted to see what it would look like if I had one solid color. There's no window in this one for the black of your eye, so it should be kind of like a solid color. I just wanted to show you how bright it would be. Right, let's use my tools. Just a note on knowing whether it's the right way around or not. Often the color will be more vibrant on the side that is to face out the way. So the side that looks maybe slightly duller in color is the one that's to go on your eyeball. Whoa. Everything looks purple. I can see purple everywhere. Oh my god. Oh my god, guys. Can you see? I can see, but everything is tinted with purple. How do they look? Are they very bright? Are they very shiny? I'll take your word for it because I don't know. Don't drive with these ones in. Alright, tell me what you think. I wanted to go for like magical girl, purple sparkly eyeballs. They've got details as well. Tell me, I think they do. Can you see details? How do they look, guys? Are they very purple? Are they vibrant? Are they bright? Do they look very bright? Because if you're gonna buy these for your eyes and you want the bright ones, then, I mean, this is how you find out. Are they bright? Are they shiny? Right, pod number 3, what do we have? Alright, ooh! These are like crystal blue. My natural eyes are like blue-grey, and they change. If I cry, they go very blue. But normally I think they're like, what do you think, like a bluish grey color? I wanted to pick a lens that would sort of make my blue even bluer. What do you think of these ones? Sorry, my nose is going crazy. My nose always does this when I put lenses in. And we've kind of been in and out with the lenses, so this eye's really irritated. If your eye doesn't settle down and there's some irritation, it could easily be because there's a bit of dust or some hair or something trapped in there. So try and blink it out for a little while. And if it doesn't stop, take your lens out, check it, bathe it in some saline solution and put it back in. Now this is still irritated, so I'm gonna take it out and give it a little clean. Listen to your body. If your eyes are telling you something is wrong, listen to your eyes. They will know. Alright, let's try this again. That is much better. I washed it, I put it back in, no problem. No issue. Wow. Now these I can see properly through. They have little windows over the dark part of your eye. Is it the iris? Or is that the colour of your eye? The pupil! Brain death. Wow! There's some vibrance to these. Oh, I like that. What do you think of that? Nice and close. Big shiny eyeballs. They seem like something you would be interested in. I like these. Okay, we are on to our last pods. I want to say that these are also blue, but I can't remember. Let's look. They are, but they're very different. The other ones were dark blue. These ones are like glittery pale blue. Alright, let me get them in my eyes. Wow. Oh, I like these. I was not expecting. It actually looks like really convincing. You know, sometimes you look at contact lenses and you get an inkling that it might be a contact lens. These actually look like they might just be my eyes. The way that they hug the pupil of my eye, so it's like a natural size, I guess, but wow. Oh. Alright, I'm a big fan of the, I mean, look at that. Can you imagine if my eyes were this blue? There are people with eyes this blue, and that's crazy, but awesome. Wow, oh, I like it. Alright, have a close-up view. Tell me how contact lensy they look. Are they very convincing? Let's see. What do you think? Do they look like my real eyeballs? Pretty convincing. Very blue. Are there details? Tell me if you can see anything up close. I guess I'll go and take my last set of cute pictures and then we can wrap up this video. Please tell me after I've... 1 second. If you use the code UNICORN, you will get 20% off. So if you feel like you would like some contact lenses, I like this place. I mean, so far the lenses have all come with their own case. They all come with solution in them. They have these amazing, you know, sparkly storage cases, so, but there's also like a huge variety and they're in sections, so you can select them by color, you know, just all the different blue, all the different green. They have like cosplay lenses specifically. The purple ones I got from the cosplay section, so there's like cat eyes and all red or all black, and you know, there's loads of different crazy things you can get, but there's lots of different subtle, sort of realistic, convincing ones as well, so I can't fault them on their variety. So yes, if you would like to get some lenses of any kind, check out my IBB. The link is in the description below. All of the stuff you need will be there, and use the code UNICORN to get 20% off, because who wants to pay full price for anything? Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed this little eye care video. Please give it a like, share, comment, subscribe, all of that jazz. Huge thank you to my heart tier patrons, Fabby Dabby Doo, Fluffy Kawaii Joe, Crystal, Jamaica, Gemma, and Cookie Critter. And a huge thank you to my star tier patrons, Abby and Bright Eyes Hope. You guys are awesome. I've been posting a lot of behind the scenes videos and just clips of things throughout the day, so if you are interested in getting all of those little snippets, you can get them in the star tier, just FYI. I love you guys. I hope you have a fabulous day, and I will see you next time. Love.